Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Welcome back to Abu's Family Life. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Tanya. I am here today because I have a sick baby. She won't let me put her down, so I have her literally in the middle of the kitchen while I prepare some homemade remedy, natural stuff. I have my husband, he's taking a shower so that he can go and get me some more mint and some lemon. But this is what I have on hand. So she's not feeling very good. So I have me some guava nectar to sweeten up. This I'm going to put it in a sippy cup or a bottle for her. I have an orange here. I have a cough drop in there. I have some mint, but I need some more. I'm not going to give her ginger because the hulls, and you can use any kind of hulls. I just have these type of hulls right here. That's what I have on hand, but anyone will do it. And it has honey in it and water. You can either use bottled water or like I'm doing, I'm heating it up. And it's warm already, but I need it to be a little bit warmer so it can. Yes. Okay, hold on. Okay. Yeah, yes. She got a runny nose. My goodness. So basically, you just stir it up, and it sounds like this water is hot. So I'm not gonna put a lot of this in here. I'm using one hand, so I'll just show you just slightly. I think that would be a teaspoon. Let me see. That is probably like 1 teaspoon because it sweetens this stuff up. And just mix it. There we go. That's hot. Yeah, Shinama. Yeah, hold on. You guys, thank you for watching. Let me go ahead and take care of my baby. So if you don't have any medicine around, the doctors don't want you to give children medicine anymore. So this was my alternative because she seems congested. Yeah, and I guess for pain, I'll give her Tylenol if she won't, if I can't console her, if I can't calm her down, and if she stay unhappy. But right now is more so she want me to pick her up. Say bye. Say bye. Tell your friends bye, Sheena. Say bye. You don't want to say bye to your friends? Say bye. Say bye. Thanks. Okay, I am done. I got it in a bottle. But she will not take it. She won't take it. So I have to figure something else out. Ashina, you gonna have some? You gonna have some? Gonna have some? No? No. Uh-oh. Okay, well, we gotta figure something else out. Gotta figure something else out. Oh, yeah. You guys, thank you for watching Abu's Family Life. Bye.